Today, the Director of Development of New Life Mission, Staci Donovan, shared her story, her journey with New Life Mission. She is an amazing person who is just an example of all the, looks like small example of all the women who lovingly guide this mission in Brevard County to help women with children thrive and go away from homelessness to hopefulness. And so I want to encourage you to go to newlife-mission.org. As we enter the holidays, they're in desperate need of more. And they also have fundraisers. And this is one of my favorite charitable organizations, other than the McDermott Holistic Healing Foundation. But this is something that is changing the future. When you have a mother who cannot provide for their child, and it's the holidays, or they can't be fed, and New Life Mission just comes in and just puts them in the fold of God and the women who love God and the organization who is just so amazing. Check out today's conversation. Go to whenyouneedafriend.com. And while you're there, like and follow me on all social media. Share the video from that we did with Staci Donovan. Let people know that this organization is in need. And it is wonderful the things that they're doing for these women who come in without skills and come out thriving. No different than a caterpillar to a butterfly. It is a beautiful organization, and I hope that you will join me in supporting them either during the holidays or throughout the year, whatever you choose. I know that we can't do everything, but everyone can do something. And please remember that the best way that we can spread the word is by you sharing, liking, following, doing everything that you possibly can to help others live the life of their dream. This is Lily McDermott wishing you love, peace, joy, and unexpected abundance. Make it the best day ever. Mwah.